Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you've never been here. My name is Lauren, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do this beginner's guide to this glittery date night makeup look. If you'd like to see how I did it and what products I used, please continue watching, and then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, share it with your friends, and let me know what you think below. I also have the question of the day, so please don't forget to answer that in the comments. It's going to be, do you prefer a glittery eyeshadow look or a matte eyeshadow look? Please stay tuned to see how I did this look. So just to get started, I am using my CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. This is recommended by my dermatologist, and it's super lightweight, and I absolutely love it. So I'm just going to be applying that all over my face. So after that is all blended in, I am going to go ahead and mix my two foundations. It is the shade 118 and 128. On the back of my hand, I've already done so, and then I will be applying that to my face. So just begin by mixing this all up and just applying it. And then I will begin blending with a sponge. Don't forget to do your ears. Hit them with that double chin. I'm also going in with my Fit Me Made Simple Concealer in shade, I think it's 11. This is just a little bit lighter. So applying that right there, right here, along with my nose and chin. Will look a little crazy. Next thing I'm going to be doing is just begin blending everything in. So I will begin by setting this all with a CoverGirl translucent powder. This one is in shade 105, so it's like almost translucent, just because I feel like this doesn't give you flashback if it does have a little bit of color in it. I will be taking that same damp beauty blender and tapping it into the lid where I've already put some product and applying that right where I put my concealer. So just begin by tapping that into areas to really set that concealer. My chin is an oily zone, so I'm tapping that into there. And then I will be going up into the bridge of my nose, just to bake, and forehead. Awesome. So while I'm gonna let that bake and sit, I will be doing my eyebrows by using a Morphe, doesn't have a number on it, but it's just a Morphe brow and spoolie, and I'm going to begin by just fluffing my brows out. Oh, this powder is going to make me sneeze. Yes, okay. Okay, continue fluffing out your brows. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in shade Soft Brown. Mine is really dried out, so I always apply a little bit of oil in there, but it's still good from yesterday. And I will begin by doing the outer corner and then the inner corner of my eyebrow, so the tail. And I'm just going to start by shaping it how I want it to look. I like soft brows, especially for dates. So this is going to be more of a fluffy brow than like a very bold brow. But I do want a bold tail. And I just shape the tail. You can apply So after I have my eyebrows pretty much fluffed as much as I would like them, got some fluffy brows to take the day on. Alright, so next thing I'm going to be doing is just kind of brushing off this translucent powder. Okay, so because this is a date night look, I want to keep this on the more natural side rather than having bright colors. I feel like for a first date especially, this is something that you want to show your natural beauty, but just enhance it with makeup. So this is going to be more of a natural look with lots of glitter, girl, because you want to bring attention to those eyes, because we know that you can win a guy over with eyes. I don't think I've ever met a guy who isn't a sucker for eyes, so that's just my point. Anyways, I will be using this contouring brush in my Hoola bronzer and just mixing her in there a little. And I will begin by just lightly contouring my cheekbones. I will also be contouring my jaw and my forehead to kind of slim that baby down. Closing that up, put this down. I'm then gonna go on to a blush. I'm gonna be going with a lighter blush today. This is out of an eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be using the color Bubblegum. It's this very light pink, and just smiling a little. Next thing I'm going to be doing is using the Morphe x James Charles palette and a Morphe M513 brush. This is also from his collab with Morphe for the brush set, so got them both. I'm going to be dipping into, let's see, this shade right here and applying that into my crease. That one does not have a mirror, unfortunately. That's the one downside to that palette. It does have quite a range of colors. But I will be just taking that right into my crease, and I'm gonna try not to blend it up quite yet, so just really packing it into there. So after doing that, I will be going in with nude shade right above it. It's just this little porcelain, like, white shade, a porcelain white, and just blending out the edges a little bit with that, and begin blending it upward. So after doing that, I'm going to be going in with a little bit darker brown just to kind of accentuate my outer corner. I'm going to be dipping into this like orangey brown, and I'm going to be just applying this right into my outer corner area just to kind of accentuate. I want to bring the eye in towards the inner corner because that's where I will be applying glitter. So you can bring this kind of towards the middle of your eyelid just so that it's an easier blend when we do begin applying glitter. Awesome, so after having done that, I'm going to take a smaller brush. This is the M508 brush. Alright, so after having done so, I'm going to jump in with my liquid eyeshadow shimmer shades. Stila Cosmetics sells one. This is pretty much the dupe, I would say. This is the e.l.f. I think it's $4, and it is so good. I'm just gonna dip in, and I'm going to just begin by applying this directly onto my inner corner and moving in towards my middle. I'm gonna take a smaller blending brush. This is the M506 brush, and I'm just gonna begin by kind of blending the outer corner orangey brown shade into that glitter a little bit better. So after doing that, I'm going to go in with my eyeliner and do a soft, smaller wing. This is the Maybelline Precision All Day Eyeliner. So just going in with a eyelash curler. And then I will be going in with my Maybelline Lash Sensational. So after that, I will be going in with my Jeffree Star Siberian Gold Skin Frost Highlighter, tapping that off and just applying that everywhere that I really want to shine. Look at how no shimmer. And you are pretty much done. You have the option to apply false lashes if you would like. I'm going to be popping some of those on really quick. I will be right back after I do that. So after popping on those lashes, they are Ardell lashes, and I did use just a basic clear lash glue to apply those. Once those are on, you will want to finish off with a lip. Totally your preference if you wanted to go for a matte. I personally like glosses. So today I'm going to be going in with Heaven's Gate. It's so pretty. It's like a clear glittery gloss. And it smells good. Just adds a little bit more oomph to your look. I hope you enjoyed this look. If you wanted a little If you wanted a little bit more of a pop of color, I would suggest doing a light blue or a yellow on your inner corner or directly on your waterline. So this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please check out any of my other videos. I've done a dark blue and purple look. If you'd like to see that, I will link that one here. Awesome, thank you so much.